Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef embutido, Panlasang Pinoy style. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 kilogram of ground beef as your main component. For added flavor and texture, prepare 1 cup of finely chopped carrots and 1/2 cup of vibrant red bell pepper. Don't forget 1/2 cup of sweet pickle relish and 1/2 cup of raisins to give it that unique taste. Finally, have 3 raw eggs and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs ready to bind everything together perfectly. This combination ensures a rich and savory embutido. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, carrots, bell pepper, relish, raisins, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Use your hands to thoroughly mix everything until it's well incorporated and uniform. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Next, prepare your wrapping material. Aluminum foil or banana leaves work wonderfully. Take a portion of the mixture and form it into a compact log shape, approximately 2 inches in diameter. Repeat until all the mixture is used. With your embutido logs neatly wrapped, the next crucial step is steaming. First, prepare your steamer by bringing water to a rolling boil. Carefully place the wrapped embutido logs into the steamer. Allow them to steam for approximately 1 hour. To ensure they are fully cooked and safe to eat, the internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once steamed, remove the logs from the steamer and let them cool completely. This cooling process is vital for easy and clean slicing later on. After your embutido has cooled, it's ready for its final preparation and serving. Carefully unwrap the logs and slice them into 1/2 inch thick rounds. For an extra layer of flavor and a delightful texture, you can pan fry or even deep fry these slices until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Serve your delicious beef embutido with a side of sweet and sour dipping sauce, which perfectly complements its savory taste. This versatile dish is fantastic for any occasion, whether it's a festive party or a comforting family meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.